So guys, today I'm gonna start a brand new type of video. It's called coding. It's coding. What coding basically does is just turn what you want into a computer form. So I'm gonna teach you some basics on how to make a website. So we're gonna start by making your first website ever in your life. So the language you code for websites called HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. If I didn't think it wrong. If I didn't say it wrong. Yeah. That's the language. And for compilers, if you don't want to install Visual Studio Code, just go online, type onecompiler.com/html. It's a great site. It has so much more languages than just HTMLs. So this is like a basic code that outputs this. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of everything. Except for this. This is the minimum structure of every single code you should have. You can't get less than this. Then the entire thing's gonna break. So, first line says .type HTML. It's basically saying this file is a HTML site. It's HTML file. And then HTML tag. So everything like this, it looks like some sort of crystal or just containing something. It's called a tag. Some tags are self-closed, so you don't need an end. But some tags like HTML, head, body, title, they do need an end, which start with a dash. Wait, is it? It's not a dash. It's not a dash. It's like what's that called? I forgot. Just this thing right here. This little thing. Alright. So basically that's like the main structure of this every single what's that called, website should have. So if you want to pause the video and copy this down, you are welcome to do that. And we're gonna move on. In the title, put anything you want your website's name to be called. What's the website name? For example, Blockit, then put dashboard, and then this line, and then it says Blockit. So you can put in the title dashboard and then Blockit. Then this thing's gonna call dashboard Blockit, and it's gonna display it here. Just put it here. I'm gonna put Howie's website, first website, even if it isn't. Okay, so that's the first part. And then in the body, for first thing, write anything. For example, hello. This is my first, what's that called, website in my entire life. I'm gonna click it, magic's gonna happen. Look at that. You just wrote a sentence. Look at that. Just wrote the entire sentence. Okay, do you think that's cool? Nah, there's so much more about HTML. More than just a sentence. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna do something more. than just writing a single sentence. Okay, so we learned the tag. There's HTML, there's head, there's title, there's the body, there's doc type. So I'm gonna introduce another tag called div. Well, it's not div. Div. This tag doesn't mean everything. Doesn't mean anything on its own. Just a container for its child, not the child you think. In coding language, child means like the thing that's inside of something else. And then that's what we do. A div doesn't mean anything. It's just a normal container. Alright. So now we're gonna do such thing. We're gonna introduce another tag. Don't you think this is like a bit hard? Oh my god, we don't need everything like this. Style. Style. No. Okay, style. This tag adds style. Obviously adds style to your website. So let me put my water down. And then look, you can put styles in there. First of all, how do you put styles? So you can't just go like, I want whatever I say to be yellow. You can't just do that. It's not English. It's not a dictionary. It's not a teacher that does. It's not something that does whatever you say. It's not gonna do it. Because why? It can't understand. It just can't understand. It can't understand. You know. The computers know. Comprehending is like 01001010101000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000. Into some more codes that the machine codes that machine can understand. So we're gonna leave this here, and then let's think about it. How do you add style? So goodbye, have fun, subscribe, and bye.